Mail call, a couple of more tools from Amazon renewed. I'm Ron Paulk, and this is the Smart Woodshop. If you want to get yourself a set of plans to build your own smart woodshop or one of my workbenches, you can click on the link in the description of this video down below. If you go back a couple of mail calls, I got a tool that I was looking for, shopping for, from Amazon Renewed. I didn't even know Amazon Renewed existed. I picked out a tool, I was getting ready to put it in my cart, and I noticed this option for getting it from some other vendors or different ways to buy it. And one of them was Amazon Renewed. Well, I gave it a shot, and I saved a fair amount of money, and it worked out great. The tool was in the original box. It had everything. It looked like brand new. For me, there was no difference in getting a new one or Amazon Renewed. That worked out so well, I ordered a couple of more tools, and I thought I'll take a look and see if they're available in Amazon Renewed. They were, so I ordered them. So let's take a look together. This one did not come in its original box. It looks brand new. There are no scuffs on it at all. It's got the handle. So that's the only two things that it came with originally. So I've got everything except the original box. These don't look like the original manuals. Not a big deal. I've got a photocopy of it, and I can always get it online and download it. This one looks unused as well. So this is a 20-volt angle drill, and this is a 20-volt hammer drill. So let's get a battery and make sure they work. That's 3 for 3. I'm a happy camper with Amazon Renewed. I don't mind saving a few bucks and getting the exact same tool. If you enjoy Mail Call, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Remember, ring that bell so you'll know when I drop a new video. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Woodshop. Stay safe. Have a great day.